Daily passive income opportunity, only $1 to get started. This is not a $1 trial, like $1 for 7 days, $1 for 14 days. This is a $1 done and you are ready to go. How this works is going to be explained through the video that we're going to watch. It's a 2-minute video, short video, so just hang in there. Let Dawood, the owner of this product, tell you what's going on, and then we'll dive just a little bit deeper to see if it's worth really getting started with. All right, let's go.
What could you buy for a single dollar? 3 sips of a cup of coffee? A handful of sweets? A ticket to watch the first 5 minutes of a football match?
Maybe.
Well, what if I told you that today I'm going to give you a passive earnings opportunity every day for a whole year just for a single dollar? Welcome to the $1 cash system.
All right, so he said that this opportunity is available for 1 year. I'm assuming that they just reactivate it for another $1 if it continues on and is a program that is still up and running at that time.
Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Charles Draven, we've got something very special for you today. There really is no catch. All you have to do is to collect a Warrior Plus link with guaranteed approval and paste it into a box. That is all you will ever need to do.
If you're not already associated with Warrior Plus, I'm going to take you through that after Dawood gets done explaining this program to us, okay? Be just a minute.
Ever. I'm offering this because I want you to succeed and not to struggle during your early days online like I did, struggling to get approved for offers, unable to build up my affiliate score, and unable to make any sales. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not offering to make you rich here, but you will be in profit after your very first sale. And my job is to start...
His job is to get you started looking for bigger incomes, and my job is to help you get into profit quickly. That is what we try to do here with our systems, and that just makes a huge difference when you can say, you know, at the end of the month, okay, I'm in profit. It may not be a lot, but we're in profit. So that's what we're shooting for here. For $1, you get paid 100% commission on this. So every dollar that you make is $1 in your pocket. So the system itself is going to be pretty easy to get into profit with. All right, let's see what else he has to say.
You off on a journey that leads you to much bigger money further down the line.
Bigger money.
So if you've been struggling to get your first sale, or even to get approved for offers, then this is for you. But if you're an established affiliate who just wants some extra sales without having to do anything for them, then this is for you as well. After all, who doesn't like a little something extra without having to work for it? But at the end of the launch, the price will be going up. So grab your copy today and lock in those passive earnings.
All right, did you catch that? Price could be going up from $1. So this is what's called in a sales funnel the FOMO, fear of missing out. He's just, you know, every good speaker out there, every good business person out there that is telling you how to get the best out of their system are always going to give you that fear of missing out. If you don't get it today, then it might be more expensive tomorrow. So there you go on that.
For the next calendar year, all for just a single dollar today. Myself and Charles will see you on the inside.
All right, so just a quick hit here and review. Just paste a single link into a box. There is a form, and you will want to watch if you go ahead and purchase this for your system. You will definitely want to watch his explanation videos. It is not difficult whatsoever. Just watch the videos. Don't try to skip ahead, because you do need to get to the page with the correct form to put the link in. And you want to put in the link for this product. Okay, so you want to go to Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you that here real quick. Where are we at? Okay, so this is Dawood's $1 cash system. And I think I want to go to, let me get over, well, let's see, it should be in there. Right here. This is my link. Okay. That's the link settings. Let's see, click on that, see what that does. That just brings, yeah, it just brings up everything. Alright, so here's your link. All you're going to do is copy this, and that is the link that you're going to put into the box that he's talking about on this sales page. Okay? 100% front-end commission, so the first one you sell gives you your dollar back, and anything after that is all profit. And profit after your first sale, no promoting needed ever. Okay? You do not need to go out and promote this program. Yes, I'm making a video of it. I'm making a review video, reaction video to it. Just some extra exposure that I can put out there so that you know you can use this system. But you really don't have to promote it. He does all the promoting internally. And anybody that he puts everybody's link that buys this on their rotator. And if your link is the one that is being clicked on at that time, then you're the one that's going to get the sale. No experience needed. Please follow the instructions on the videos. Perfect for newbies. Guaranteed approval to promote. All right, so he has to give you the thumbs up. So that when you come in here, if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus, it'll ask you to submit this. It'll be link waiting, basically. And but once you tell them that yes, you're ready for your link, give it a little while. It may be up to 24 hours. Normally it's not that long. Normally it's a lot less than that. Not completely automatic. Sometimes it is automatic. It just depends on the internet and your computer. It's how fast everything's running. Guaranteed approval to promote, so you will get approved for that link. The ultimate no risk, no brainer. Okay, but it's small profit. It's $1. However, I'm going to show you how you're going to make a little bit more off of this. So this just one single dollar gets you in. Now I'm going to come back to here and I'm going to show you the funnel map. Alright, so here it is at $1. This is going to be your, I'm going to lean in a little bit here so I can read it, your $1 cash system, pro version, $1 cash system, massive traffic bundle, $1 cash system again up here. These are if you're bypassing, you're going back up to the $1 cash system. The $1 cash system down here, reseller rights to other products that he has so that you can get 100% commissions from other products that he have. The Executive Club, I think that's a $17 upgrade, and I have joined that. So the person that got this link to me not only got their $1, but I also gave them a commission off of that $17. And $1 System Executive Club, and then the Academy Black Friday bundle, which is his bigger package, his complete training system. So just know that yes, there's $1, but there's several upsells throughout the system where you can make more commissions than just the $1. All right. This is your sales page checkout, and I just want to show you that there is another quick upgrade you can buy here. Get a massive bundle, over 150 of their best-selling products. Use all these products as your own or give them away as bonuses without restriction. So an additional $9.95 gets you all of that. I think I did purchase that on this particular system. And come over here, you can use your whatever credit cards you want to use. Obviously, if you're established with Warrior Plus, and you may already know this, but if you didn't, you can just tell them to take it out of your Warrior Plus wallet, and you will be all set. You don't have to worry about going through credit cards or PayPal or Stripe or Venmo or any of that kind of stuff. You're just going to take it right out. And this is how I purchase most of my Warrior Plus products. All right, I'm going to bring you over again back into my back end of Warrior Plus again, and I just wanted to show you that Warrior Plus is a legitimate company if you're not familiar with them or haven't purchased items from them before, and that I actually do have earnings in here. These are commissions that I've made, all-time commissions, $253.05. Total sales, $122.14 in commissions. And a lot of my commissions come from some other traffic products, and I get about, I don't know, 50% commission on those. So like this one sold for $4.95, I get it for $2. I get commissions of $2.30. But you'll see down through here all these arrows in a circle. Those are all recurring membership products. The $1 cash system or traffic, $1 cash system will start showing up when sales are made without the little half circle, because it's not a monthly ongoing membership. It's a sale. Like this one was Click Dynamite one time for $2.30. Here's another one, Click Dynamite up 2x. So somebody bought the extra link that you can put multiple links into it for $7.95. So I got $3.73 out of that. Just wanted to give you an idea of these different traffic products or different products within Warrior Plus in general. Here's one for $20 somebody bought, and I got $9.32 out of that. Another one for $27, and I got $12.66 out of that one. So you can see that you can get some of the little bit higher up commissions. Now, let me expand in here. If you are looking for mid-ticket to high-ticket opportunities, number one, all of these traffic products that I work with are all built on the premise that if somebody comes in and buys the upgrades, you are going to get the upgraded commission whether you bought the upgrade or not. That's one of the great things about a lot of the Warrior Plus products on here. This is one of the reasons we like Dawood with all of his products. He usually puts out 2 new products a month on average. It's just a great way to go, because there's always that possibility, without pushing it, it all just kind of happens naturally, that somebody will come in and get enough people buying this to the entry level that there's possibility that they're going to go ahead and grab the upgrade, especially on traffic products where they might want to put more than one link into whatever system that may get talked about. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a better idea of how that works. But if you are looking for, hey, I just want a good mid-level, a good high-ticket membership that I can sell, so that I know that the membership is going to happen over and over monthly, and that there might be some other products within that membership, then you can go ahead and get my link that will be down in the description area for the Profitpreneur. That is the membership that I currently promote, and that way you can get a good look at that, get the information, and see what we've got going on there. So look for the Profitpreneur link that will be down in the description area. All right, let's go ahead and finish this up. We are ready to go ahead and get on out of here. So if you are looking for just a simple system that can put you into profit quickly, I give Dawood a thumbs up on this one. I think, it's a no-brainer. It's a piece of cake. It's easy. It's $1. Everybody's got $1. Okay, so get out there, or get in there, get that $1 in there, and then start watching. Whether you check back with Warrior Plus daily or weekly to see if the link that you put into the box is getting some action and giving you your $1 back. And or if you decide to go ahead and do a video like this one, of course, you can promote it yourself or add it on as a nice little promotion to any emails if you are sending out emails on a regular basis. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. Make sure to click here to get access to this system, or the link will be down in the link will be down in the description area or on the pinned comment underneath this video. So until next time, my name's Jeff Beeman Online, and thank you for stopping in if you've been with us before, and welcome if this is your first time to catch one of our review or reaction style videos. Talk soon. Take care.